LangGraph streaming system employs an iterator-based protocol to surface real-time updates from graph execution, enabling progressive output delivery through configurable modes. This artifact demonstrates the core mechanism for streaming subgraph outputs by leveraging the subgraphs equals true parameter in conjunction with the updates stream mode. We are about to examine how the streaming iterator yields chunked outputs from nested graph structures, with each chunk representing state updates from both parent and child graph contexts. The configuration will reveal how namespace tuples disambiguate subgraph provenance while maintaining the update-only streaming semantics.
For chunk and graph stream. Foo. Hash set subgraphs equals true to stream outputs from subgraphs. Subgraphs equals true. Stream mode equals updates. Print chunk.
This code demonstrates streaming outputs from subgraphs in LangGraph, a crucial feature for real-time updates in complex workflows. The stream method is called with subgraphs equals true and stream mode equals updates, which enables streaming state updates from both the parent graph and any nested subgraphs. The subgraphs equals true parameter ensures that outputs from subgraphs are included in the stream, while stream mode equals updates specifies that only state deltas changes should be streamed after each step. The streaming mechanism is designed to handle hierarchical graph structures, where subgraphs can be invoked within parent graphs. By setting subgraphs equals true, the stream includes outputs from all levels of the graph hierarchy, with each chunk representing an update from either the parent graph or a subgraph. This approach is particularly useful for monitoring the progress of complex workflows, as it provides granular visibility into the execution of nested components. The trade-off here is increased verbosity in the stream, as updates from all subgraphs are included, which may require additional filtering or processing in the consuming application. Let's break it down.
For chunk and graph stream.
Iterates over chunks of data produced by the graph stream method, processing each chunk sequentially as it becomes available. The loop variable chunk receives each successive piece of data from the streaming operation, allowing for incremental processing of the graph's output.
Hash set subgraphs equals true to stream outputs from subgraphs. Subgraphs equals true.
Sets the subgraphs parameter to true, enabling streaming of outputs from subgraphs in the LangGraph execution. This means intermediate results from nested graph components will be emitted as they become available rather than waiting for complete subgraph execution.
Stream mode equals updates.
Sets the streaming mode to updates, which configures the system to emit incremental updates rather than complete snapshots during streaming operations.
Print chunk.
Prints the value of the variable chunk to the standard output. LangGraph streaming system enables real-time updates from graph execution through an iterator-based protocol, with this example focusing on subgraph streaming. The core mechanism combines two key parameters. Subgraphs equals true exposes outputs from nested graph structures, while stream mode equals updates ensures only state deltas are emitted. Together, these create a granular visibility stream where each chunk represents incremental updates from either parent or child graph contexts. The trade-off here is increased verbosity for comprehensive monitoring, as all hierarchical updates are included. This pattern is particularly valuable for complex workflows where tracking nested component execution is critical, though it may require downstream filtering for focused consumption.
The parent graph whispers updates, while the subgraph tucks its namespace into the stream. Both arrive as if they never left.